How to remove Lazada app pop-ups 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you can solve the issue or remove Lazada app pop-ups by clicking on the three dots on Chrome browser and go to the settings option from here, and after that you have to click on the privacy and security options and scroll down and click on the site settings, and you have to scroll down and click on the pop-ups and redirects option from here. Make sure to don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. You have to click on here, and then you can just refresh and check if the Lazada ads pop-up still shows or not. If it didn't work with you, then you can just come to the settings and you can just reset the settings and restore settings to the original default, and then you can just reopen the Chrome browser. And if that doesn't also help with you, then you can just manage notifications. Like on the Lazada apps, you can open the Lazada app, go to settings, messages, and manage which notifications you want to receive. And for Android settings, you can also manage app notifications in your phone settings, like settings, app, Lazada notifications. So that's the all methods I know about how to remove Lazada ads pop-up. So let me know in the comment section which workarounds worked with you. So see you in the next video, guys.